Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I prepare my banana oatmeal pancake with all these ingredients. This is oatmeal, this is walnut, this is banana, I have 2 eggs, I have my salt, my milk, and baking powder. If you like, you can put cinnamon also. So let's start. Oatmeal I'm going to use for this recipe. You can see it. This is walnut. This is my milk. The milk I'm going to use to blend everything together. The 2 eggs I'm going to use for the recipe as well. You can see how I'm preparing it. Now, the salt. This is the salt. I add the salt. I add the baking powder. This is my baking powder I'm using for this recipe. You can see that I'm going to use for the recipe. A healthy banana oatmeal pancake. So stay with me and see how everything is going to come out. Now I'll start blending everything together. That's it. I blend everything together to prepare my healthy pancake. Guys, you can see everything is well blended right now. I have to start preparing the banana oatmeal pancake. It's a healthy one. Guys, you can see right now, this is the butter I'm going to use to prepare the banana oatmeal pancake. You can use vegetable oil as well, or coconut oil, but I'm using butter for this recipe. Look at it and see how I will prepare my banana oatmeal pancake. See, this is my banana oatmeal pancake. Let me just do it one. I wanted to do 2 in this pan, but let me just do it one by one. See it? Stay with me and see how everything will come out. Guys, see how I prepare my banana oatmeal pancake, a healthy food, a healthy meal. It's very nice. Just stay with me and see how I prepare my own homemade banana oatmeal pancake. Look at it. It's very nice. There is no sugar in it. I use banana. It's natural, very natural. Everything I use to prepare it is very natural. It's a healthy one. Look at it as I turn the back. It's very nice. Hi guys, you can see the banana oatmeal pancake is ready right now. Look at it. See it. I have to decorate it and show you how everything looks like. See my decoration with banana. Look at it. I decorate it with banana. See it, guys. You can see. This is honey. I'm using honey to decorate it. You can see how everything looks like. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you will be the first to grab it. Okay.